permanent parts of the UK, I think they call their vacuum cleaners as Hoover. Yep. Well, not every vacuum cleaner is called Hoover, since we do have other vacuum cleaners too. Probably something like for this room, I guess I could go for a German vacuum cleaner, since this is a small room. I might go for a canister type vacuum. I think that's good for cleaning underneath beds and furniture with. Actually, this video sounds good on my notebook probably, since I'm doing a story about vacuum cleaners, about how they first evolved. I think we used to have brooms and beating sticks at first, but there can be solutions to that, so we now have carpet sweepers and some working vacuum cleaners. Actually, I do have an announcement on this second video after this one, so I'll call it quits and adios, mi amigos.